welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can win big prizes like laptop. Yeah, I'm going to tell you today how you can win laptop on Amazon. Yes, you will not need to pay anything for it. Like if you don't even need to pay 1 rupee, you can get it actually free. There is not any local laptop. There is a branded laptop of big companies you can win. So let's start to tell you how you can do this. So first you have to log into your Amazon account and you will reach at the home screen. Scroll down, like this is my home screen, and you need to scroll down like me. Scroll it until you find chance of win chance to win laptop. Okay, I did not get it yet, so I need to scroll it more. Yes, yeah, you're watching here. Win prizes worth rupees 50 lakhs under this category. You will find uh, chance to win laptop. You are watching winner Fujitsu laptop. So what you need to do here, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. So guys, if you like this thing like answering winning, then there is no any issue to try this, because you know Amazon is a very big company, number one company. So you can easily get here rewards by answering. So it will not take more than 1 minute to answer all these questions. So let's start to do it. So I am starting to answering the questions. So guys, I don't know anything about Fujitsu laptop, so I can't answer these questions, but I can try. So I think I should think and reply to the questions. So I think this question is 1935 maybe. So I should. Wow, this is correct. So the next question is okay, headquarter. So it's in Tokyo. You can take a help of anyone in your family, or there are so many options to take help, so many resources. So I think what should it be? Okay, so I think this one is right. Good. I think I should praise myself. How many products is Fujitsu seat launch in India?